Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You might have noticed that most of my videos are done using Procreate, and with the most recent update, it now comes with the symmetry function which I will be teaching you today. So this is very useful for creating borders and elaborate designs such as this one. So to start, we just have to create a new canvas, and then we go to settings and we click on the canvas icon. So here we can see the drawing guide, which we have to enable before we can be able to access the edit drawing guide option. So once you've clicked it, you can choose between 2D grid, isometric, perspective, and symmetry. And symmetry offers you further options, but they are already on the bottom of the screen. So you can choose between horizontal, vertical, quadrant, and radial. So radial is best if you want to create circular borders, and then you can play with the thickness and the opacity of the grid lines. So once you're happy with your settings, you can already proceed to click on Done on the upper right corner of the screen. So I will just speed things up so you can see the end result. As you might have noticed, so everything you do in one symmetry slice will be mirrored on the other slices. Note that you can combine multiple symmetry options, and in this case I will be shifting to horizontal symmetry. At some point you might want to exit the symmetry mode, but note that simply disabling the drawing guide will just hide the grid lines, but it will still be on symmetry mode or whatever mode you turned on. So in this case, you just have to edit the drawing guides again, and instead of symmetry, you just have to enable the 2D grid. So remember to turn off the assisted drawing, otherwise you cannot draw freely. And then once you've done this, you can already proceed to disable the drawing guides. And that's it. I hope I was able to help you, so thank you for watching and have a good day.